to the new episode of our weekly series Market Buzz. So let's start with Index Nifty. So in previous video we explained how Nifty will continue with its bullish momentum after a breach of resistance, and it moved by approx 4% in previous week. After such tremendous momentum, now index may exhaust as RSI is trading near to the overbought zone. 12,200 will be acting as resistance zone. Index need to close above it to carry its bullish momentum. Moving on towards the next index, that is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty continued to outperform Nifty for the second consecutive week as it has advanced by 7% comparing to the Nifty's 4% weekly basis. After an one-side rally from the support of channel, it still does has some strength, but 24,000 levels will be acting as resistance level. Index needs to close above the resistance level to continue with its bullish momentum. Let's move on towards the next segment, that is interesting observation, where we are going to talk about Nifty Media. On daily scale, index failed to sustain above the 20 EMA support and closed below it. RSI continued to move towards south direction with a negative crossover indicating weakness in index. We expect index to move towards the support of rising trend line, which is around 1500 levels. Let's move on towards the final segment, that is stocks. So the first stock which we are going to talk about is Dr. Reddy. On daily scale, stock is at the verge of pennant breakout. Stock is forming higher high, higher low formation. Stock continued to trade about 20 EMA. Rise of volume on bullish candle indicating accumulation of stock. Stock above 5,240 levels will continue with its bullish momentum and may move towards 5,800 levels. Moving towards the next stock, that is Cummins India. On daily scale, stock failed to sustain above the support level. Stock is trading inside the bearish channel. RSI continued to move towards south direction indicating weakness in stock. Stock continued to trade below 20 EMA indicating continuation of bearish momentum. We expect stock to continue with its bearish momentum and move towards 390 levels. So that's all for this week. Hope you all have a profitable week ahead. Thank you.